US citizenship for $5 million. How does that sound? Well, US President Donald Trump has recently introduced a new route for US citizenship via an exclusive gold card for a hefty amount. This gold card can be bought for $5 million, and in return, it will provide both green card residency status and a path to American citizenship for foreigners. It's somewhat like a green card but at a higher level of sophistication. It's a road to citizenship for people, and essentially people of wealth or people of great talent. This is what Trump said while announcing the gold card. The Gold Card visa will provide the same privileges as a green card, allowing holders to live and work in the US. Trump said the program would help attract wealthy individuals, and the funds raised would be used to reduce the US deficit. The program is likely to come into effect by April, with around 10 million such Gold Card visas likely to be rolled out initially. US Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick stated that the visa would replace the EB-5 investor program, which currently requires a minimum investment of $1.05 million or $800,000 in certain areas to secure a green card. So how is this new gold card different from the existing EB-5? EB-5 visa program grants residency to investors who spend at least $1 million on businesses that employ 10 or more people. Additionally, foreign investors under the EB-5 program face a long wait of 5 to 7 years for a green card. Since its launch in 1990, the program has been marred by allegations of fraud and misuse. In comparison, the Gold Card visa eliminates the job creation mandate, making it a hassle-free option. However, its hefty price tag of $5 million puts it beyond the reach of mid-tier investors. Now the other question is that how it impacts Indians. India is one of the largest beneficiaries of US work visas, especially the H-1B visa program, which allows companies to hire foreign workers for specialized roles. In the 2024 fiscal year, 3.9 lakh H-1B visas were approved across 52,892 companies, with Infosys and Tata Consultancy Services among the top 10 recipients, according to the US Citizenship and Immigration Services. During his previous term, Trump imposed tighter restrictions on the H-1B visa program to prioritize American workers. If similar measures return, competition for these visas could increase, making it harder for Indian IT professionals to secure jobs in the US. While the Gold Card visa is aimed at high net worth individuals rather than skilled professionals, it may create a new immigration pathway for wealthy Indians looking to settle in the US. However, it remains unclear how many people would be willing to pay 41.5 crore rupees for residency when the existing EB-5 program offers a similar route at a lower investment threshold. What do you think of this Gold Card, and how can it impact both USA and India? Let us know in the comment section below, and keep watching ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.